Hiya 3, today we're going to be learning how to change seconds to minutes. Okay, so our in focus question starts off with, in a puzzle solving competition, a team took 120 seconds to complete the task. Is that more than a minute? Okay, so first bit, if we break it down, is how many minutes is 120 seconds? Okay, so if we know 60 seconds is 1 minute, 60 plus 60 is 120. So that's going to be 2 minutes. Okay. So they've partitioned it. They put it into a part whole model: 120, 60, and 60. The second question is, another team took 100 seconds. So how many minutes and seconds is 100 seconds? So they've put it in a part whole model again, but instead of doing 50 and 50, they've told us that there's 1 minute and 60 seconds. So they've used their 60 seconds, then worked out how many more seconds is left to 100. So it's going to be 40. So it's really easy to see 1 minute and 40 seconds. Okay. And the last one, they've said a third team took 200 seconds. Okay. So here they've done it again and they've put 60, 60, 60. So we've got 3 minutes. Okay. And then we know 3 minutes is 180 seconds. And so if we're on 180, how many more do we need to get to 200? 180, 190, 200. So it'll be another 20 seconds. So 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, so let's have a look at the guided practice. 180 minutes. Oh, sorry, not 180 minutes. 180 seconds is how many minutes and how many seconds? Okay, so we got 60 seconds plus 60 seconds is 120. Then how many more seconds do we need to get to 180? That's right, 60 seconds. Okay, let's just change the font to make it a bit smaller. So how many minutes is 180 seconds? We know it's 3 minutes. Okay, so 80 seconds here. If we know we're on 60, how many more do we need to get to 80? Let's count in our 10. So we're on 60, 70, 80. We could even draw a number line to help us. My number line is white, which is not helpful. We could draw a number line to help us. Okay, so if we're on 60, we know if we add on 2 more, we are going to get, well, not 2 more, sorry, 2 more 10s I meant to say. 60, 70, and then 80. Okay, remember how I say to you all the time in class, make sure you prove you're right. It's a great way to prove you're right. Okay, so we're going to add on 10, add 10, and then add 10. So we know it's going to be 20 seconds in here. So 60 seconds is 1 minute. And how many seconds have we got left remaining? We've got 20 seconds remaining. Okay. What about 280 seconds then? Let's put it in. So we got 60 plus 60 is 120. Okay, I might just write the 6 times table out to help me. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Okay, we don't need to go any further than that. And if we're going to multiply these by 10, we've got 60, 120, 180, 240, and then 300. So 60 plus 60 is 120. I can check on my line here now to help me. Plus another 60 is 180. And then if I add another 60, I'm going to get to 240. If I added another 60, I'll get to 300, which is more than 280. Okay, so I don't want to add another 60. So again, I'm going to get my number line. I know that I'm on 240. So how many more do I need to get to 280? Okay, see if you can work that one out in your head while I create my number line. I hope you're all now shouting at the screen. Let's do it together. 240, get your fingers out. 250, 260, 270, 280. So we're going to add on 40 more. Okay, so we've got 40 seconds remaining. So how many minutes have we got in total? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, not 54. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remain. Okay, so which is longer, 150 seconds or 2 minutes and 30 seconds? Okay, so to help us work this out, we're going to have to put them into either seconds or into minutes and seconds. Because we're changing seconds into minutes today, we're going to change as 150 seconds into minutes. Okay, so let's use this 6 times table to help us. So we have 60, 120, 180. So 180 is bigger than 150. Okay, so we're going to stop on 120. I'm going to draw my number line. Okay, we are going to start on 120. We are going to get to 150. How many is between 120 and 150? Who thinks they know that answer? If we know between 20 and 50, how many is that? 30. So 120 plus 30 is going to be 150. Let's double check we're correct. 130, 140, 150. Okay, so that means we have 2 minutes. 120 seconds is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Oh, look, it's exactly the same. So 150 seconds is the same as 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so we can say they are the same. Okay, awesome. Right, I'd like you to get on with the activities for today. There's a blue task and there's a yellow task today. So if you fancy a challenge, you can have a go at the yellow task. And then we have a maths quiz tomorrow. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Email me if you have any problems. Bye.